I would request Dr. Young Woon Lim to please come to the podium and give away his keynote speech. Please welcome Dr. Young Woon Lim.
Hello, good morning. Thank you very much for inviting me here. And I would like to thank to the whole organized committee. And then thank you so much for inviting me, especially Shahid. And it is my honor to be here. Actually, this is the first time in West Asia, in Pakistan as well. Actually, today I brought some fungi. Yesterday night I arrived here, and then I heard that there are no mycologists here. So I worry about it. How can I just send my message to you? But one thing is, everybody interested in the biodiversity. Okay? So I'm interested in biodiversity. I'm studying the fungi, but there are no fungi and fungal. So in our country, it's a little bit of the fungi, fungals. But here is no fungi, no fungal. But anyway, I try my best to send my message to you. And actually, today my talk is about the mushroom diversity. So that one is very important to the plant diversity. The first part, I'm going to just introduce a little bit of background of Agaricomycetes mushrooms, and then share my result to you. As you know, the mushroom is you can easily found in the forest. But this one is, you know what, the fungi is close relationship with the animal than plant. But anyway, sorry about that. This fungi, anyway, is just a close relationship with the plant, because the fungi, if you understand the fungi, that is very, very good for management the forest. And then keep the forest and keep the diversity. Oops, I'm sorry. Yeah, as you can see, there are many mushrooms that you can easily found in the forest. And nowadays, I heard that there are more seasons. And some mushroom is belong to Ascomycetes, but most of them belong to Agaricomycetes in Basidio mycota. Its time is almost done. All right, thank you very much for your attention.